Dear student, today I will also discuss some sums and different types of sums from the mental math. Already we have discussed some sums and we have already shown you how to find out the answer of different or how to solve the different types of mental math related sums. Now, first of all, I will show you uh, some multiplication. 2 into 46 into 5. So this is from mental math 17. Now, how to find out the answer? First 2 and 46 you multiply, then you multiply by 5. No, not like this. 2 and 5 you multiply first. 2 and 5, 10. 10 into 46 means 460. Easily you will find out the answer. So what to do? First these two no need to multiply. First to multiply 2 and 5. 2 and 5 if you multiply, then you will get 10. Now 10 into 46. 10 into 46 means 460. The answer will be 460. So easily you will get the answer. It will not take too much time. Okay. Another one I am showing you. 4 into 62 into 5. Similar way that 4 and 5 you multiply. 4 and 5. 4 5 is 20. 20 into 62. Now 62 multiply by 2. Then what you will get? 2 to the 4. 12. 1 2 4 and 1 0 you have to put here. 1240. So 1240. So easily you will multiply. It will not take too much time, and first of all you have to understand which two number you have to multiply first. If you multiply these two, then if you multiply by 5, then also you will get answer. But we will not do like this because due to less time, within less time, how to find out the answer? 4 5 are 20 and 62 you put 62 will be here, then 20 and 62 you multiply, so 62 only you have to multiply by 2, not by 20. So if you multiply by 2 you will get 124, then this 0 you have to put here, then you will get the answer. Another one, 29 into 50 into 10. This is the sum. So how you will find out the answer? Now 29 into 5 and 1, if you multiply 50 and 10, then 5 1 is 5, then 2 0, 500. Now what to do? Only by 5 you multiply 29. 5 9 is 45, carry 4, 5 to the 10, 14. So 145, then 2 0 you have to put here. So answer will be 14500. So easily you will get the answer. No need to show the actual process also. Okay, if you want to show the actual process, then it will take too much time. Now another type of sum I will show you now. 354 into 6 plus 354 into 4. Okay, equal to, they have given 354 within bracket one box plus second box equal to dash. Okay, how to find out the answer? Now first 354 you have to multiply by 6, then 354 you have to multiply by 4, and these two you have to add. So first 354 you have to multiply by 6, second 354 you have to multiply by 4. So altogether you have to multiply by 6 and 4, then you have to add, that is altogether you have to multiply by 10. So 354, if you multiply by 10, then answer will be 354, 3540, 3540. Okay. So what to do? If the sum like this, so common one you write here into this one, plus or minus, then you have to put the sign here, plus sign. If it is minus, then this number, then easily you will get the answer. Another one, that subtraction I am showing, 64 into 40 minus 64 into 4 equal to 64 into minus dash equal to, now 64 multiplied by 40, 64 multiplied by 4. Now 64 multiplied by 14 and then 4, and after that subtraction. So 64 you multiplied by 14, then multiplied by 4, and after that you have to do subtraction. So what to do? 64, 14 minus 2. So ultimately 64 will be multiplied by 10. 64 into 14 minus 4 means 10. So 64 into 10 means 640. 640. Okay. 64 into 10 means 640. So this way you have to find out the answer of this type of sums. Now, some sums I am showing you from mental math. 15. First one I am showing 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Okay. Then dash so same number you are adding 5 times. So you write here 5. How many times? 5. Which number you are adding? 11. So 5 times 11 means 5 into 11. Okay. 2 plus 2. That means 4. We can write 2 into 2. 2 times 2. That is also 4. Similar way, 2 plus 2 plus 2. That is 6. If we do 2 3 times, that is also 6. So similar way we can do. So 5 times 11. 5 into 11 or 11 into 5. Anyone you can do. Answer will be 55. Answer will be 55. Now another one, 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. 8 times 12. So 8 times 12 equal to 96. Okay. How many times? 8 times. So 8 you write first. Then which number? 12. 12 8 times. So 12 into 8 or 8 into 12, 96. So this type of sum you have to do this way. Next one. Dash is one half of the predecessor 50. Of predecessor of 50. Dash is one half of the predecessor 50. Now predecessor of 50 what? Predecessor of 50 is 49. Predecessor of 50 is 49. So half of 49 means 49 you have to divide by 2, then you will get half. So 49 divided by 2. So 49 divided by 2 will be the answer. And this one from mental math 14. Okay. Another one, dash subtracted from 320 gives 300. So what we will subtract from 320, then it will give 320. How we are getting 320 minus 320? So 20 if we subtract from 320, then we will get 300. Okay. So similarly, half of successor of 99 is dash. Half of successor of 99. What will be the answer? Successor of 99. 99 after that 100. So half of 100. 100 you divide by 2. Then you will get the answer 50. So half of successor of 99, 50. Okay. Next, 1/4 of 4 or any number. 1/4 means the whole will be divided into 4 equal parts. So 1/4 of 4. 4 you divide by 4 is equal to 1. 1/4 means you have to divide by 4. So 12 months. There are 4 quarters. So each quarter 3 months each. So when quarter means 1/4. Then in whole or in 1, how many in 1/4 will be there? 4 1/4 will be there. You will add 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Yeah, that if we add 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, then 4/4 part we will get. 1/4 part, 1/4 part, that is 1 part out of 4 part. Then again 1 part out of 4 part. Then how many part we are getting? 4 part out of 4 part. That means 1. Okay. So that means 1/4 of a whole means or of a number means the number will be divided by 4. Then you will get the answer. So thank you all. Different types of sums we have already solved. Again we will do some other type of sum. So thank you all today. Next day again we will show you.